Hey guys, we received this flower fan light for test and try. So this is actually a fan that is in a E26 or E27 base bulb socket and can be used for night like a bulb as well as fan. So it's a really nice product and have multiple use. So this is like say the light and you can also use it as a fan. So if you don't have like the fan or you need a fan like in a small place, you can use this and just use a simple light socket, E26 one, and then use it. So there are like plastic fan blades that you can easily just insert in this. So everything is marked. So this it goes down or inside, and then you can use it. So it's almost like a fan with the light thing and the LED light. So this also comes with a remote control. So this requires two AAA batteries. So I will just put in here and then show you. So I don't have like any other way around the night bulb. So I just put it in a this way so that you can see it fits a E26 socket and then light is bright and it's on. So it's a really nice product and is very helpful in case you just have one light one. So this will actually go other side down, but because I don't have that socket in this way, so I'm just doing. So as you can see, like you can use this remote control and then just to try. So there are three speeds and adjustable light bulb. Can be used like anywhere you want, around 20.5 inches. Um, so it's really nice thing to have if you want to have a light and a fan in a electric socket one. So quality wise, it's also nice and remote control is really helpful. So it's adjustable lights that you can see here from the remote control and it's have like really nice.